start with this problem. If we have 4 groups of 25, what would my product be? Cole,
100.
how do you know that answer?
Because of 4 quarters equals 100, a dollar.
Where did you get quarters?
Each quarter costs 25, and there's 4 quarters.
So you thought of 25 as a quarter, and you thought 4 quarters equals $1, which is equal to 100 cents. Another strategy, Aiden?
I did, 2 times 4 is 8, and you just add a 0 to that because it's 20, and then what you do is 5 times 4 equals 20, and 80 plus 20 equals 100.
What strategy do we call that, where we're breaking it apart? Partial product sums would be with addition. So you said that 2 groups of 40 would be?
2 groups of 40 would be 80.
Oh, let's do 20 groups of 4.
Yeah.
I had it backwards. Sorry about that, Aiden. It still would be 80, right? And then 5 groups of 4 would be
20.
Caught my mistake. And we put those together, and then we get a total of 100. Very good. Let's try this one. This time I have 26 groups of 4, 4 groups of 26. What would my product be? Turn to your shoulder buddy. Tell him how you solve.
I think it would be since it was.
How did you get that answer?
Well, I knew that our last problem was 25 times 4, so I just added
4 groups of 25 gave us how much?
100.
100. Okay. So you used the previous problem to solve this one?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I added them together and I got 126.
Okay, so this was one more group of 4?
Yes.
So if we have one more group of 4 onto 100, what would our total be?
104.
Oh, instead of 126, we're going to change it to
104.
104. Another way, Jack?
I did 25 times 4 and that equals 100. And then I added 4 more ones and I got 104. I added 100 plus 4.
Great strategy.
I knew that 26 times 2 is 52, so I just did 52 plus 52, and that equals 104.
Wow, this is a new strategy for today. What we've done previously. What strategy is that called? 26 times 2 would give us 52, and then you did what to it?
I doubled it.
You double. Our doubling strategy came into effect. Good job. And we still get the same answer. Ian?
Well, I thought that it would be 126, but then I realized that it would be 104, because I thought it would be 126, because I knew that it would be the same thing as the last problem for 25 times 4, but then I thought that I would add 26 more, but then I realized that I had to add 4 more.
Okay, so you understood that it was, this is 26 groups of 4 and this was 25 groups of 4. So it's one more group of 4 instead of one more group of 25. Very good. Last one.
I did 6 times 4, which equals 24. So 4 times 2 equals 8. So then since the 10 was 2 from 24 and that was extra, so then I did 4 times 2 plus 2, and that gave me 104.
So if we have 4 groups of 20, how much? We have 8. Okay, and then you put these two products together.
And got 104.
Very good. Questions? If we have 25 times 4, we were using our partial products, we were using doubling today, but let's go back to Cole. He was working with those coins, 25 cents would be a quarter. What strategy was he using? He wasn't using doubling, he wasn't using our partial products. He was using what strategy?
Money.
He was using money, and that's familiar or landmark numbers.
I have actually another way that none of them did on 26 times 4. You could have rounded to 25. Instead of just going back, you have to round before you go back.
Same thing that you were thinking of before in the first problem with 25 times 4. You were rounding it to a compatible number of 25 and then going from there to find out your answer. Very good.
You could also do the box strategy.
Oh, you could do the box strategy for partial products. Is this what you're talking about, the 20 plus 6? Is this one? Will you help me solve it with our box strategy, our partial products box?
In the fourth box, you would do 20 times 4.
And 20 times 4 would give me
80. And then in the box next to it, you would do 4 times 6.
and 4 times 6. 24. And then if we have 80, and then we add 24 more, we get a total of
104.
all these different ways, and you still get to the same total. Great job in number time.